Hello little friends, welcome to Auro, English for Kids. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of insects. Do you know what a butterfly, an ant or a dragonfly is called in English? Let's learn and have fun together with Auro. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a bee. 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 This is an ant. 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 This is a grasshopper. 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 This is a butterfly. 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 This is a ladybug. 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 This is a dragonfly. 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 This is a mosquito. 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 This is a scarab beetle. Scarab beetle. Scarab beetle. Scarab beetle. This is a scorpion. 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 This is a spider. 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 This is a mantis. 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 Our lesson for today comes to an end here. Or see you again in the next videos. Bye-bye.